dear guardians, my dear candidates, on behalf of my team, I extend warm welcome to all of you. Today we have gathered for culmination day. So culmination is basically closing of a learning journey. So this is for quarter 2. So what could be the best way of having this closing where kids themselves coming in front and presenting it, isn't it? Instead of retelling us what they have learned. Okay, so today there is a twist I have planned for you all parents and guardians. Instead of I talking about canvas, I'm going to have a short quiz to check your knowledge. What can you see on the flashcard? And how many blocks in one bundle? So let's make bundle of it.
देखो काउंटिंग कर रहे हैं वो लोग।
Very good.
How many ones?
How many ones? How many plays? 6 blocks. How many plays there? So what number did we fall? What number? Very good. Big letters. Our collaborators, Paz, Saloni, Riyanshu, Aryans, Jagvi, Prasanna, Srisha, Vishnu, and your time starts now.
Double bubble
Put the dot. Manasvi and Samriddhi, show your word. Please read. Very good. Anshita and Gulabsha, show your word and read. Read. Very good. Very good. Very good. Please collect all the props. All yours. All props. Please take a watch on your number card. Very good. Enough? What? Let's show it. Very good. Now turn your slates. Now tell me, what is the sound for this? Very good. Write and show us. Very good. Chalk ground. Make a line. Make a
हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मलक से, ओ हाथी राजा। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो सोफे पर, सोफा बोला चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मन। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो सोफे पर, सोफा बोला चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मलक से, ओ हाथी राजा। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो झूले पर, झूला बोला चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मलक से, ओ हाथी राजा। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर भी आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो झूले पर, झूला बोला चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सोंडे लाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मलंग से, ओ हाथी राजा।
Format that will be easy. So let's, without wasting your time, my first question. If you want to answer it, you have to raise your hand. The first question is, how Canvas parents get to know about holidays and celebrations? Oh wow, good to see lots of hands coming up. Let's give chance to James first.
So we have. So
my voice is already loud.
Come. Otherwise you can come in front.
So we have WhatsApp where we can get the updates. Then
Morning, good morning. I saw few hands was coming up from this side. Let me check the shoes.
We have like calendar list which we have given early Thursday. Yeah. According to that we see, and also the WhatsApp you always send the next coming up whatever the events or celebrations, holiday list. So by that we will be doing it.
Thank you, thank you.
से अना आ से आ होते हैं सब मिलकर काम। ई से इमली, ई से ईद, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख। आ से अना आ से आ होते हैं सब मिलकर काम। ई से इमली, ई से ईद, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख। आ से अना आ से आ होते हैं सब मिलकर काम। ई से इमली, ई से ईद, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। मेरे घर में आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। मेरे घर में आओ ना, हलवा पूरी खाओ ना। आओ बैठो कुर्सी पर, कुर्सी बोली चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, चटर पटर, भाई चटर पटर। हाथी राजा कहाँ चले, सोंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले। हाथी राजा, ओ हाथी राजा, मस्त मलंग से, ओ हाथी राजा।
You are very close. Notification ID is prime. I am very happy to know that ID is prime. You have to do. So, in ID is prime, in notification. very long. So last question is about one of the crucial things. Now let's have question for this round. The question is how exams are conducted at Kandos branch, this Hamari branch. How we conduct exams? Answer is coming from this side, but I want from this side.
Yes.
Daily assessments.
हाथी राजा कहाँ चले सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले मेरे घर में आओ ना हलवा पूरी खाओ ना मेरे घर में आओ ना हलवा पूरी खाओ ना आओ बैठो टेबल पर टेबल बोली चटर पटर चटर पटर चटर पटर चटर पटर भाई चटर पटर हाथी राजा कहाँ चले सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले हाथी राजा ओ हाथी राजा मस्त मलंग से ओ हाथी राजा
In the calendar. Okay, now let's move to the next question. The next question is, I would like to have hands from this side. So only this question is for this group. Next question is, many a time teachers write one acronym, short form in the notebook, which is LC. What this LC means?
Let's complete.
Yes.
My pet, she spilled the ink in the pet. The ink is red all over the desk. Ink is white. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink in the pet. The ink is red all over the desk. Ink is white. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink in the pet. The ink is red all over the desk. Ink is white. Pinky the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink in the pet. Hop, up and down. I like to hop, hop, hop all around. I like to hop, hop, hop up and down. Jam, jelly and jam, jiggling on the plates. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plates. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plates. Oh, what will I eat with it? Jab, 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 jab.
to know. We always know that we are a triangle, right? Students, facilitators, the educators and parents. We all have to have same understanding. Otherwise confusion will be there.
Lights, oh what will I eat with it? Chop, 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 chop. Jelly and jam jiggling on the plate. Oh what will I eat with it? Chop, 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 chop. Jelly and jam.
Big letters. Our collaborators, Paz, Saloni, Riyanshu, Aryans, Jagvi, Prasanna, Srisha, Vishnu, and let's collect and play.
The beach with my floating fish. It's got to hold the egghead mouth. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got to hold the egghead mouth. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got to hold the egghead mouth. And so my arm, 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 they're causing me alarm. And so my arm, and so my arm.
Aryansh and Jagvi on stage.
Friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got to hold the egghead mouth. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It's got to
Saloni, Riyanshu, Raj, Aryans, Jan. have our little inquirers and infants for a delightful show. And then there are infants and inquirers who will help us understand what's healthy and what's not healthy. Hands together for our little performers from infant community. Expectations, and I am sure it brought a lot of joy to everyone here. Huge round of applause for our confident performers. Music brings joy, and our inquirers have been learning the. Now, can you tell me what is the sound for this? Can you please write and show us? Lovely. Dear parents, before we begin, we really appreciate if you could take a moment to visit our school's Facebook page and Google page and share your valuable feedback and a lovely canvas. Today, we are here to celebrate the amazing learning journey of our little stars during quarter 2. Each moment has been filled with growth. Thank you. Performance. Please collect your props and carefully walk to stage. Scene is planning the party. Getting ready for a surprise party for Jet and Juno. Each writing. Our Canvin, not just singing and dancing, they are also learning their sounds and letters. Now presenting their progress in the most welcome. Kabhi 24 hours, 7 hours at your service. I like getting your messages, but the information. Performing phonics, can you make a line? Who are coming first? Presented by our little ocean explorers from Collaborator Club.
I like apple pie, I like chips and cookies, and I like salty too. Jiggling on the place, oh what's when I eat with. But after some time I don't feel so cool. Too much joy.
But in homework, assessments are not many.
Food makes you feel slow. Junk food isn't much fun. I want pizza, please, and a soda too, with some extra cheese.
Presentation by you all. Anna! Wonderful. Wow, that's why you become amazing leader one day. Salome. Decorated for the party. In your mailbox, which gives you information about all holidays, all celebrations.
It's got to hold the egg and mouth. Floating fish.
For a little orator. Thank you, kids. You are definitely confident and little hands for big letters. Tivisha, Aradhya, Alishma, Uwais and Arnav.
से अनार आ से आम होते हैं सब मिलकर काम. ई से इमली, ई से ईख, अच्छी अच्छी बातें सीख. से अनार आ से आम होते हैं सब मिलकर काम. ई से इमली.
आपको क्राफ्ट का इंटरेस्ट है क्या? So not just writing, not just speaking. 360-degree assessment is happening. So we believe that canvas कर्म किएगा, कल की चिंता मत कर. Please report card. We are not much bothered. Basically, जो assessment card हमको मिल रहा है, वो बच्चों का assessment card नहीं है. A मिला, A+ मिला, B मिला, B+ मिला. ये सारे मार्क्स आपके और हमारे एजुकेटर्स के हैं. उससे हेल्प लेनी है हमको कि कौन से एरिया में बच्चों को और लर्निंग देनी है. तो बच्चों ने ये पढ़ा किया, अच्छा नहीं किया, उनका रिजल्ट नहीं है. वो रिजल्ट हमारा है टू अंडरस्टैंड. अच्छा, इसको फोनिक्स में प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा और प्रैक्टिस. राइटिंग में प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा और प्रैक्टिस. सो प्लीज बच्चों को मत बोलना ये क्या किया, इसमें क्यों कम आया, इसमें कराना है, मुझे इसमें प्रैक्टिस कराना है. ओके, द लास्ट क्वेश्चन. कौन सा कलर डे है, कौन सी क्लास में एक्टिविटी होने वाली है, specific to class or field trip, because field trip are also class specific, so you won't find such information in calendar. Okay, thank you very much, Power. next question. As we are here on culmination, so culmination is like end of all exams and all that. So I want to know how at Canvas Bhanoni Trust we conduct all these exams, how we do it. You parents are aware how we take exams at Canvas? I don't know. I have come from there also.
Hello, good morning, good morning.
Assessment.
And how we do assessment is right, but how we do it?
Surprise.
Classwork. On the daily basis, yes.
So we have somewhere around 50 assessment. बच्चा कैसे शेयर करता है, टीचर की बात सुनता है क्या, टीचर से बात करता है क्या, किसी
हाथी राजा चले सोने लाकर कहाँ चले हाथी राजा ओ हाथी राजा मस्त मलक से ओ हाथी राजा हाथी राजा कहाँ चले सोने लाकर कहाँ चले मेरे घर भी आओ ना हलवा पूरी खाओ ना मेरे घर भी आओ ना हलवा पूरी खाओ ना आओ बैठो टेबल पर टेबल बोली चटर पटर चटर पटर चटर पटर चटर पटर भाई चटर पटर हाथी राजा कहाँ चले सोने लाकर कहाँ चले हाथी राजा ओ हाथी राजा मस्त मलक से ओ हाथी राजा
No problem. Standing on the stage is more than enough. Bye. Jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Chop, 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 chop. Chili and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Chop, 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 chop. Chili and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? Chop, 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 chop. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Hear the airplane, hear the airplane, hear the airplane, making lots of noise. Hear the airplane. Do you like healthy food or do you like junk food?
Welcome to our dear parents, guardians and our lovely penguins. Today we are here to celebrate the amazing learning journey of our little stars during quarter 2. Each moment has lovely. Dear parents, before we begin, we would really appreciate if you could take a moment to visit our school's Facebook page and the Google page and share your valuable feedback. Your reviews and ratings means a lot to us. Parents, we love to hear from you. Please do visit our Facebook and Google page and share your thoughts or a quick review about your experience with the school. Can you please share the you on Facebook Google page. Hi, good morning everyone. Glad to have you all for quarter two culmination day. And as you know, this culmination is always a closing of beautiful learning journey which they had. तो 42 days का ये पीरियड रहा है जहाँ बच्चों ने hands on करके cross water, so many things they were doing. So today's this welcome work which I am expected to do, there is a test for you. Welcome Neela teacher has already done. On behalf of my team, I also take pleasure in having you all. Welcome to you all. Now let's take test one. Today is a quiz for you all parents. Not to check your general knowledge, check about the clarity of our Canvas understanding, the channel of communication and all that. We gonna check that. So it will help us to, if some sort of awareness is not there, it will help us to come on the same page. To answer, you have to raise your hand. The first question is, at Canvas Dhanani, if you want to know when will be the holidays, when will be the PTA, when will be the celebration, how parents get to know? How parents get to know? First friend here.
Party, Ojal and Bruno, Bart and Soccer. Great idea, Sunny. I will blame cake. Yummy, yummy cake. Yes, easy cake. Yummy, yummy cake. I will decorate with cells and bubbles. I help you the decoration cells and bubbles. I will bring the shiny stone.
Because mostly I think kids will be ready for performing and coming up here, and we are also excited to see their performance. So last question I think is gonna be simple one I think. So the question is, many a time teachers are giving more in the books of kids as an acronym LC. Acronym LC. My question is, what do you mean by LC?
Complete.
Yeah. What does okay, this acronym LC stands for Let's Compete. Due to the reason like आज बच्चा मूड में नहीं है नहीं किया, आज स्लीपिंग है नहीं किया, एब्सेंट है नहीं किया, n number of reasons. If child has not done any page which is already been covered in the class, he mark it as LC. तो हम लोग भी स्कूल में जब भी मौका मिलता है थोड़े LC पेजेस रैंडमली करा लेते हैं एंड हम
Jimbo. Oh my! What is this? Oh, you built cake, bubbles, gifts, colors, so beautiful. What will we do now? Do you like junk food? Do you like healthy food? Or do you like junk food? I like chocolate bars and I like apple pie. I like chips and cookies and I like salty fries. But healthy food makes you strong. Healthy food helps you run.
If you see a child is in mood to do, you can help child to finish that work. I think we'll now ask kids to come forward and start their presentation.
Yes, Peter. Yes, TV. And me. Yes. Thank you.
story, The Scene Party. The scene 1 is planning the party. I would like to welcome Sunny the Starfish, Arshit, Tina the Turtle, Aradhya and Manasri, Ollie the Octopus, Arav and Waze, and Stanley the Seahorse, Dhruv and Vaibhav. What they plan? Let's see.
Do you like healthy food? Do you like junk food? I like chocolate bars and I like apple pie. I like chips and cookies and I like
Krabby the Crab, Shivansh and Gulabsha, Dolly the Dolphin, Anshika and Alishba. Sorry, Anshika is not present. And Finny the Fish, Tinisha.
By a little ocean explorer from Creator Class. आपके मेल आईडी में आप ही के पास आप ही के कंट्रोल में कैनवस है, जहाँ आपको पता रहता है कि कैनवस कब छुट्टी देगा, कब सेलिब्रेशन होगा. WhatsApp is the reminder part and WhatsApp is class-based information. So specific.
Well done. Please take your place. Now the scene 2, preparing.
Canvas calendar.
Text the place where
Wave your hands, wave your hands. Come on, yay, show some energy.
food helps you run. Junk food makes you feel
show and tell, where our infants and inquirers will help us understand what's healthy and what's not healthy.
eating all this junk food makes me feel so full, but after some time I don't feel so cool. Too much junk.
It's fine.
Apple pie.
Performing Sonic, can you make a line? Who are coming first?
Come on stage with all the kids.
Jiggling on the place. I like chips and cookies, and I like salty.
By you all.
But after some time I don't feel so cool. Too much sugar.
Decorated for the party. Scene is planning the party. Getting ready for a surprise party for Jet and Juno. Each
Encouragement, who are tiny canvas, you are the real star of today. Every day, as our teacher